Yeah, I don't mind. Ooh. This is Encore Casino. Oh, I gotta open the door, right? Ah, voila. There's a mirror. Load. It's the bath, the shower. This place is nice. It's amazing. I'm thoroughly impressed. Okay. Ooh, look at the mirror. This mirror makes me look good. And you have the queen size bed. And look at the view. Ooh. Oh, all right. Look at that view.